Hey all, welcome back to the Car Secrets channel, where today we're going to discuss a problem that happens with certain Lexus RX models. So this issue affects 2016 to 2017 RX350 and RX450h. And what the problem is when you step on the gas pedal, you press it and let it go, there's like a springing noise coming from inside of it, which can be pretty annoying. It's important to note that this issue only affects vehicles made in Canada, not the ones made in Japan. And that's exactly what they mentioned here. So you need to take a look at your VIN number and see if it starts with 2T2 or JTJ. If it starts with a JTJ, this repair procedure is not applicable to the vehicle. Here's some warranty information. Now, as with all service bulletins, it's important to know they're different than recalls. Recalls are done on every vehicle affected, no questions asked, doesn't matter whether they're within a warranty period or not. But with a service bulletin, the vehicle still has to be under warranty and it has to exhibit the particular condition for the dealership to perform this repair for free. Let's take a look at the information here. So this is the op code. That's what the technician submits to the warranty for doing the claim under warranty. R&R is remove and replace the accelerator pedal assembly. The time that it pays the tech is zero point 0.3 hours. Now, this is the time that gets paid under warranty. If you come in and your vehicle's out of warranty, the time would be higher than that because warranty time is always cut significantly. The OFP is the original failed part, and that's the original part number for it. And this repair is covered under the basic warranty, which is 4 years or 50,000 miles from the in-service date, which is not the production date, but the date of delivery to the first customer. Let's take a look at the parts information. This is the previous part number. This is the one that makes the noise, and this is the updated part number that had the countermeasure already implemented in it. Let's take a look at the repair procedure. So first, the tech would need to confirm that the condition exists. Essentially, jump in the car and press the gas pedal a few times and see if it's making that kind of popping, springing noise. If it does, they can proceed with the repair, which is you just remove the front door scuff plate, the trim board for the cowl underneath, and the instrument panel cover assembly. And after that, they can remove the pedal. Now, there's some warnings here, don't bang it, don't take it apart, don't spray oil on it. If you don't do any of those, you're good to go. Well, with the old one, I guess it doesn't matter if you're throwing it out anyways. After that, you're going to disconnect the accelerator pedal connector, which is the connector at the top. Just squeeze the clip, the tab, and pull it off. And then remove the two nuts right there that hold the pedal sensor assembly to the actual firewall of the vehicle. Then you would slide the rod out of the pedal itself, which is the part that you step on, and that's how you remove it out of the vehicle. Now you would take the new pedal. Again, with this one, you really want to make sure you don't bang it, you don't spray it with anything, and don't take it apart. Engage the rod back into the actual pedal assembly itself, and then tighten the two nuts to 48 inch-pounds. Plug the connector in, reinstall the clip, and confirm proper vehicle operation. And there you go. That annoying spring noise is going to be gone. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Thanks for watching.